let's just talk about this Horsegirl song called Anti-Glory. It's a pretty cool song. Mostly the bass is doing most of the background work. I think it's an E. And then it goes F sharp. You can just play that with power chords. But play it like this is not a power chord because it's E in the third. It's 7 and 6 on the A and D strings. And they're bending this string at the 6 on the D string. So it's more like a riff bass sound. And then for the chorus, where they're like dance. It's just playing B and G, B at the 8, G at the 9. And then you bar B and G at the 7. Back to C sharp. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.